A stroll through nature. Village Road Wonders. Nature LK. Hello, Nature LK family. Today, we're taking a relaxing stroll down a charming village road where nature and tranquility meet. Join me as we explore the simple yet stunning beauty of this rural landscape. As we wander down this quiet road, take a moment to breathe in the fresh, earthy air. The village road is a gateway to nature's wonders, where every step reveals something new. Look at these wildflowers dancing in the breeze. They're a burst of color against the green backdrop, reminding us of nature's artistry. Each flower has its own unique shape and shade, contributing to the road's natural beauty. This majestic oak tree stands as a guardian of the road. Its sturdy branches offer shade and shelter, while its leaves whisper stories of the seasons. Trees like this are vital to our ecosystem, providing homes for wildlife and helping to purify the air. Here's a peaceful stream, winding its way alongside the road. The sound of flowing water is both soothing and refreshing. Streams like this support a variety of plants and animals, creating a miniature world of their own.